And we're green for Vetbox Containers, heat race number 1 of the factory stocks. Oh, already trouble, top side, 1 and 2. His lights going down. Timothy Roberts will lead us. And we're green. Oh, Jim Keene leads us. Here comes Aaron Keene and Brownlee and Derek Arnett all going to town for third. Aaron on the bottom, Arnett up top. Aaron got the pass. Brownlee and oh, Derek Arnett, all kinds of Lucy on the front stretch. Tie up the shoes because they're loose on the 9. And oh, now right in front of them, 2 cars also get loose. Interesting stuff coming from the back of the pack of your Vetbox Containers Heat Factory Stock Heat Race number 1. Oh, Jim leading. Now here comes Derek Arnett for 4th, challenging Timothy Roberts. Arnett working on the bottom. Roberts. And now here comes the 44 of Daniel Denton. Denton with the hard run. Going inside, took the line away from the 44R of Roberts. Randall Sessions getting sideways at the bottom of 2. He gets it back going. Daniel Denton and Derek Arnett going to war for the 4th spot. Denton working on the bottom. Arnett top side. White flag for the J4. It's still all war for the 4th. Denton and Arnett. Arnett going way up top. And we'll get eyes back to the leader. Checkered flag for the J4 of Jim Keene, Aaron Keene, Brownlee, Daniel Denton, Timothy Roberts, Randall Sessions, and Derek Arnett rounding him out. For Vetbox Containers Factory Stocks Heat Race number 1. Brian vanishing the green light. We'll see it here. Out of 4, Ricky Bledsaw leads him green. Ricky, the first one to enter lap. 1 turn to 1 down the back straightaway, side by side for second quickly. The 29 of Jeffrey Lynch and 2, 3, stop, yellow in 3 and 4. 13J of Jonathan Hightower involved. Featured, and that's the case for all classes tonight. And Ricky Bledsaw looking for another start of greatness here, and we're back green. Got a little bit of a bumper tag from the 3 of Clayton Roberts. Roberts, sideways, here comes Double D, 3 wide down the back straightaway. Double D having to check it up. Not enough room to squeeze himself on the bottom. Clayton Roberts and Kevin Wasserman, they go 3 wide once again momentarily on the front stretch. Double D falling back. Clayton Roberts spins right in front of Double D. Roberts maybe saves it, and he gets it back going. We get to stay green. Paul Blocker wobbling big time in 3 and 4. You saw that car was all the way upset, but he's going to the inside for second. The 29 of Jeffrey Lynch. Lynch went 2 sideways, and so Jeffrey was able to really bang him back straight and keep him going. And now Jeffrey Lynch around in 3 and 4. Yellow for Jeffrey Lynch. Jeffrey. All righty, here we go. We're back underway. 4 laps remain. Ricky Bledsaw once again with a great run. Shooting him off down the front into 1 and 2. Now down the back, Kevin Wasserman into second, trying to reel in race leader 20 RB Ricky Bledsoe. Halfway now for Bledsoe for the final heat of the night. Bledsoe and Wasserman has company for second, but didn't hold on too much. Jeffrey Lynch almost was able to get the 22K of Wasserman. Jeffrey Lynch in third. Everybody just single file, running their own. All on the same line. Midway up the track. White flag for Ricky Bledsoe on the 20 RB for the final heat race. Ricky Bledsoe out of 2. Down the back straightaway. The 20 RB, Ricky Bledsoe. Oh, super sideways out of 4, but he had a good enough lead. Still got her done. Kevin Wasserman, Jeffrey Lynch, Clayton Roberts, and Double D rounding him out.